An EAGAN-based company held an open house to demonstrate how they clean firefighting equipment today. According to the CDC, cancer is the #1 cause of firefighter deaths, and that is why Emergency Technical Decon, or ETD, uses CO2 technology to clean cancer-causing toxins off of firefighters' gear.
So that's going to go a long way to reducing the rate of cancer within the fire industry, and we're happy to have this open house today. And we've got hopefully a lot of firefighters coming through that are learning about it the first time, or even some from departments that we've been servicing already. The typical way of washing gear in the industry today is to use what's called a water extractor. But water and its density, and the construction of firefighter gear has outer shell, thermal barrier, moisture barrier, and you have to be able to penetrate all that to remove these toxins. Water will do a decent job on the outer shell, carrying away those contaminants, but the CO2 will actually be able to penetrate all the layers and has the density yet to pull out all the toxins. So what happens is a local fire department will bring their gear in, or we'll send a courier to pick it up basically, and decontaminate it in this process using liquid CO2. Liquid CO2 has 13 times less viscosity than water, so it's able to penetrate throughout the entire gear and do nearly 100% removal of SVOCs and other toxins that are specified by the NFPA that need to come out of that gear.
I'm a retired firefighter. I was 32 years in the fire service. So there's a significant issue in the fire service. In fact, the #1 killer of firefighters is cancer. The leading CO2 manufacturer in the world, Cool Clean Technologies, is partnered with Emergency Technical Decon here in EAGAN, Minnesota, to create a CO2 cleaning process for firefighter gear. Fully penetrates, removes all the toxins, and makes that gear actually safe for firefighters to wear after the incidents that they respond to. The contamination that's in their turnout gear isn't coming out with traditional cleaning methods like water extractors, commercial washing machines you see. Many fire stations have those in them, and fire departments use them and have for years. Even during my career, that was the means to clean gear. It doesn't get it out. Really appreciate a great reception we've received from the fire departments. Like myself, I didn't know what I didn't know. And through all the research that's being done for the fire service and great partnerships like we're seeing with Cool Clean Technologies here in EAGAN, to bring this technology to the fire service is such a great gift to potentially make a huge impact long term to make firefighting a much safer profession.